Well, we're back again, and I'm going to do days 4 through 8 today because I have no patience. So, day 4, let's see what's in the box. Alright, day 4. Oh, that's a pretty color. Here is day 4. Look at that vibrant, beautiful orange. That's beautiful. Day 5. Alright. I'm excited. And day 5 is just a beautiful lighter color. That's really pretty. That goes real good with that. Very pretty. Let's get these boxes out of the way. And day 6. Oh, what is day 6? Oh, day 6 is some candy. Look at that. They're not candy corn. They're something different. They're actually hard. Oh, so there's day 6. And day 7. Let's get it open. Oh, that's a deep color. That's very pretty. Look at that. So, they are very pretty. And day 8. I have no patience, I tell you. Oh, back to my vibrant colors. Day 8. Look at that. That's very pretty. So there's day 8. There's 4, 5, and 8. And if you remember, that's 1 and 2. So these are the colors I've received so far. They are very pretty. I love those. They are gorgeous. I haven't decided what I'm going to make. I may hold on to them because I'm terrible. But they're very beautiful. These two look like they could really go good together, couldn't they? But these are quite beautiful. Love them. Let me know if you have any ideas of what I should make with all the minis. I still have quite a few more days left, so stay tuned to see what's coming up. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.